Welcome aboard ESA's Mars Express, taking you on a flight today around Schiaparelli crater. Our journey begins by flying north over the rugged, cratered terrain of Mars's southern highlands. This landscape was formed more than 3.7 billion years ago, when Mars was warmer and wetter than it is today. There are clear signs that liquid water flowed over its surface. In the distance, the edge of Schiaparelli crater starts to come into view. This crater is one of the biggest on Mars, measuring almost 460 kilometers across. But despite its width, it's a very shallow crater. It was filled in over the last few billion years by sediment blown by the wind and deposited by water, by material from asteroid impacts, and even with lava. Our flight gently curves around Schiaparelli crater, giving us a beautiful view of its smooth interior. The smoothness is slightly broken up by ridges or wrinkles. We suspect that the crater was filled with several layers of lava that cooled and shrank, causing the surface to buckle into these long, low ridges. The dark, wavy streak across the upper part of the crater is likely to be ash blown in from erupting volcanoes. Our journey ends by zooming out and seeing a more 2D image of part of Schiaparelli crater and the rugged landscape around it. Thank you for joining us on a tour of Schiaparelli crater. See you next time on board Mars Express. So how was this video made? Mars Express doesn't actually soar around the surface of Mars like we saw in this flyover video, though it's fun to recreate these airborne adventures. Instead, the visualizations are made by feeding images from the spacecraft's high-resolution stereo camera into a computer program. As Mars Express orbits around the red planet, its stereo camera scans the surface below. The camera simultaneously observes in different channels, which cover up to 5 different viewing angles and 4 different colours. This allows us to make images in 3D and in colour. The camera images strips of land hundreds to thousands of kilometres long and dozens of kilometres wide. By putting these strips together, scientists can build up a 3D picture of the entire Martian landscape. To make the video, we choose a path to follow and render the landscape along this path to create a feeling of flying over the surface.